benefits of the raw food diet are this. Number one is that you're going to be guaranteed of eating a diet that's not processed at all. That means it doesn't have any added chemicals, nothing's been done to it to alter the nutrient content. The second reason why a raw food diet would be good is because your body actually doesn't absorb as many calories from raw foods as it does from cooked foods. So if you're trying to lose weight, a raw foods diet is a great way to do that. Raw foods are rich in fiber, and they generally maintain the full volume of fiber. When you cook foods, it kind of cooks it down. It's smaller portions. When you eat, for example, a whole cup of raw carrots is the same as a half a cup of the cooked. You're getting much more volume from raw foods. And there are live enzymes in raw foods that are often destroyed by cooking. There are vitamins that are destroyed by cooking, like vitamin C and the B vitamins. So those are all the good reasons for starting a raw food diet. Most people find that they just start out with fruit, of any kind that's raw fruit, and salad type items. The kinds of things you would add to salad would be the first way that you would start a raw food diet. The one problem with raw foods is trying to get the protein in, because a lot of your protein sources are going to be seeds and nuts. Now, nuts, of course, can be eaten raw, but nuts tend to be very high in fat. Then you've got your dry beans and peas, but you have to soak them for a long time to get them to the point where you can consume them. So probably the biggest challenge with raw foods diets is really getting enough protein. And the same goes with the grains. If you have, let's say, rice, it's hard to eat that rice, in an uncooked form. And so again, it has to be soaked overnight, for long periods of time, to where it's at a point where you can actually consume it.